So, welcome. Today we are going to talk a little bit about computer science, which is going to be one part of the two parts of this channel. So, computer science is the one thing, that the other thing is going to be engineering, and we are going to do a small introduction today. For that I have prepared a small presentation or a small, have to find a good definition for ourselves here and what we want to talk about. So, first question, what is computer science? How do we define it? And what do we want to do in terms of computer science in this channel? For that, I think we should start with the right way. So in science fields, you usually look at what other people have said before you, how they have defined computer science, and that's what we are going to do as well. So the first definition that I found interesting as well would be this one, which is from techopedia.com, and I think let's just read it. So, computer science is the study of both computer hardware and software design. It encompasses both the study of theoretical algorithms and the practical problems involved in implementing them through computer hardware and software. The study of computer science has many branches, including artificial intelligence, software engineering, programming, and computer graphics. The need for computer science as a discipline has grown as computers become more integrated into our day-to-day lives and technology continues to advance. So, a dense definition here, which we probably have to unpack a little, but that's something we will do later. The second definition here, this is even more complicated to read, but let's try it. So, computer science, the study of computers and computing, including their theoretical and algorithmic foundations, hardware and software, their uses for processing information. The discipline of computer science includes the study of algorithms and data structures, computer and network design, modeling data and information processors, and artificial intelligence. Computer science draws some of its foundations from mathematics and engineering, and therefore incorporates the techniques from areas such as queen theory, probability and statistics, and electronic circuit design. Computer science also makes heavy use of hypothesis testing and experimentation during the conceptualization, design and measurement and refinement of new algorithms, information structures, and computer architectures. Very complicated to read, but very informative nonetheless. And the last definition, which is going to, I should have called it 1 and 2 combined basically, because this is a short sentence. The science that deals with the theory and methods of processing information in digital computers, the design of computer hardware and software, and the applications of computers. Well, I should have written this as 2.1 or 2.2. Even though this is a definition from a different site, it pretty much tells the same thing as definition 2 and definition 1, but in one compact little sentence. So, now that we have read about the theoretical definitions here, the question is, what's our definition for computer science? What are we going to do? What are we going to discuss? For that, I have built this small little graphic here, split into 3 basic categories. First, the hardware category, second, the software category, and third, the algorithm category. Hardware, as it is pretty much as it sounds, is going to be everything that is physical. That's the easiest way to put it. So a microprocessor, processor, graphics card, whatever you can find, is going to be hardware. Software is everything that isn't quite physical, touchable, so to say, but pretty much is the thing that makes everything running. Without software, you don't have internet, you don't have an operating system, you pretty much have nothing. The hardware itself enables software to run, and the software then does whatever you want, basically. And the last thing, algorithms, is going to be a little bit of a theoretical part, because not everything is just software and hardware. There are also concepts which we have to explain and discuss a little bit. Putting them into software as a category would not be quite right, in my opinion. So to give the theory a little bit of its own space, I have added this algorithm part. For example, artificial intelligence, we can put it into algorithms and software, though we could also put it in hardware depending on what we discuss specifically. And yeah, this pretty much sums up as a small introduction what computer science is, what we are going to talk about, and the basic concept of this channel in terms of the part for computer science. So, I hope this gives you a short little idea about computer science and what you can expect. And I hope to see you in another video, hopefully about computer science in the near future. So, until then.